Hey guys, it's Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you the most recent seed order that I purchased. I wanted to preface this with, this isn't sponsored. Neither of these companies have paid me or given me any of these seeds. I bought all of these seeds with my own money, and I just really like these companies, and that's why I keep talking about them. So I recently placed 2 more orders with Baker Creek seeds and my gardener seeds, and I got both of them over the weekend, and I wanted to share with you what I got because I'm going to start seeds like today. And I wanted to show you before I ripped up all of these packages what they were. I'm going to sort them out by company, and then I will show you what they are. Okay, so starting with my gardener seeds, I got lemongrass. I grew lemongrass last year and I really loved the way it smelled, but unfortunately it didn't make it through the winter, so I got some lemongrass seeds so that I can plant some more. Sage. Stevia, because I'm really interested in cutting my sugar consumption down, and I was curious about possibly using stevia to replace some of my sugar. Anise, because I just love the way it smells. Red velvet sunflowers. I don't know if I think I mentioned it in a previous video that my back fence is chain link and it backs up to an alley, and then there's more houses behind me because I'm in a more urban setting. And for more privacy and just for aesthetics, I have this vision in my head of planting sunflowers all along that back fence, and these were just absolutely gorgeous on mine, and I couldn't pass up the opportunity to plant some of these. So I got these sunflowers. And I also got Lemon Queen sunflowers because I really think that the yellow and the red together will look really nice together. I also got some Autumn Beauty sunflowers that are more of like an orangey, burnt orange color that I'm really excited about. And I have a few other sunflowers that I had last year. Purple coneflowers and common English lavender. I had such a hard time with lavender last year. I started so many lavender seedlings and every single one of them died. I ended up having 1 or 2 lavender seedlings that made it to actual like plants, and I put them in the wrong place. They got too hot, they burnt up. I don't know what else I did wrong. They just didn't make it. Now for the Baker Creek seeds, I got Endive Frise, Aurora Mixed Orange, I think that's how you say it, I'm not sure. I saw this online and I really got suckered in by the pretty colors. It's so gorgeous, and I can't wait to put this in my salad. Ozark Giant Peppers. I'm a sucker for peppers, so more peppers. Albino Bullnose Peppers. Murasaki Purple Peppers, I think that's how you say it. They look like hot peppers, but they're actually sweet, and that's really awesome because I'm not a big spicy pepper fan, but I really like a good sweet pepper. These 2 are the free seed packets that I got. They sent Amarilla carrots and cinnamon basil, which I'm really excited to try both of those. Never had really good luck with carrots. So it'll be interesting to try them this year, and I really love basil. I just didn't pick up the cinnamon basil this year because I opted for holy basil instead, and so I'm really glad that I got a pack of cinnamon basil to give a try. Now these next 2 are things that my mother-in-law were really excited about. This one is called Celtus, and it's a stalk with a little bit of leaves at the top, and I'm really excited to try this because it looks really neat. And this is a Spiel Barton mix, which is another lettuce mix. I got Chinese red meat radishes, black Spanish radishes, strawberry blonde calendula, some more orange king calendula because I recently gave this away in a giveaway on my Instagram, some zinnias, the toothache plant, which I've read that nibbling on the leaves will kind of numb your mouth and your throat a little bit, which I think is really interesting. I know that it's mainly like a novelty type plant, kind of like, oh haha, give that a try and watch your neighbors kind of like get that sensation in your mouth. But I feel like this could be like a really great addition to an echinacea sore throat tea, because this could really help. Could really help when you have a sore throat or you're not feeling great. And so I decided to give this a try. This is a new variety of chamomile called Zloty Land that Baker Creek just recently added to their 2019 seed collection. And so what it is the flowers are larger than the normal German chamomile, and I decided to give this a try. And feverfew. Thanks so much for watching my video full of my most recent seeds. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna go get these seeds started, and that video will be up soon, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when that video comes up. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.